So, hi Michelle.
Hi.
How much weight have you lost so far, Michelle?
In around 9 pounds over the last 6 weeks.
Okay, and tell me, Michelle, has that been difficult, easy?
No, pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's just kind of getting into routine now. Like I said before, it was so bad getting out for exercise and everything, but I don't know, it's been a lot easier than I thought it would be.
Okay. When you think about the food, the crisps and all the things that you used to eat, tell me about like junk food. Tell me the way it used to be and what it is like now.
It used to be I'd grab whatever I would want to when I was leaving work,
Like
because
what?
it was just kind of easy, crisps, chocolates, and anything that came to hand. It was just
Okay.
easy, especially when I if I was finished at 2:30, and I did take a little break and work.
Yeah.
But now it's I can't really think about it.
Not really.
I just kind of leave work and I don't want anything. So I'll go and I'll get a bottle of water or something instead.
Okay. And so you said that your portion sizes are a lot smaller now.
Yeah.
Tell me what changed for you in regards to portion sizes or how you changed that.
I just noticed that I was getting fuller quicker, so I just realised I was just making my dinners too big.
Mm-hmm.
I just kind of slowly just started cutting them down a bit, kind of weighing out certain things like rice and pasta. If I was having them, I'd always find I had a lot more. I was just getting too much of that, so I was kind of trying to weigh out at first to see how much I would need to kind of get the right amount.
And so now, are you eating a lot more, a lot less?
A lot less.
You're eating a lot less.
Yeah. I just the portion size was just way too big,
Okay.
so I kind of know what I want now. But I'm still finding that kind of I won't even eat it all. Sometimes I will. I think it just depends on what I would have had for lunch that day.
Yes.
So
how do you feel in terms of your control over food?
A lot better. I actually have control now.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, I have a lot more control now than I would have beforehand. I kind of think. I don't think, but I do think.
Yeah.
Like it's like when I'm leaving the shop, I just don't touch anything.
So
but I'm not thinking about it.
Aha.
If you get me.
So does that make it easier or harder?
A lot easier.
A lot
I just leave and it's not a temptation anymore, I suppose.
If someone was wondering about using hypnosis to help with their mindset for weight loss, what would you tell them?
I suggested. I came into it with an open mind, and I suggest anyone to do it.
Mm-hmm.
I'd known someone who had done hypnosis before, so I think that kind of helped as well.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a very skeptical person anyway, so I kind of just I would suggest if you want to come into it with an open mind.
Okay, and how would you say it's helped you in terms of your mindset?
I don't really know. I kind of like I said, I'm a very open-minded person anyway, but I feel like I'm a bit more open-minded now. So I found that it is helping me. I figured it would help me. I kind of feel like it's helped me a bit more than I actually thought it would.
Okay, wonderful.
I'm a bit more open-minded.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Thank you very much. There we go. I haven't used any of them yet, but what I do is I'll